missing ice cream. Yeah.
What's that, Kayla? Ticket? Oh no! Scared ka?
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
Na-scare si Kayla, kuya.
Scared ito po ba?
Put it in your pocket, kuya. Oh, Mama Dad will come here. We'll go to their house, man, after here. Kayla! Hi!
I thought we were just gonna like stay at the hotel.
What?
I thought we were just gonna like stay at the hotel.
Oh, we're going to Mama Dad's house.
Alright.
Nice kayong weather, eh? Oh, sandbags.
We come to appreciate
So, yan pala yung bridge to USA, guys. Pala yung bridge, guys, ang nag-connect ng Canada and United States. So, pupunta na kami sa Niagara Falls. 17, 16, 15, 14.
Which is better? Breakable helmet or unbreakable helmet?
Breakable.
Because unbreakable one is so strong that it can cause... They have one, the boat ride.
Oh, we'll try that on summer. Okay, aron dili tugnaw, no?
Summer.
Dili cold. So, nandito na tayo, guys, sa Niagara Falls.
on summer, we're gonna ride that one, okay? You haven't tried that because you were too small when we went here. May boat. So, ayan yung pila sa baba. Zoom in po. Yan yung pila kung saan sasakay ng boat. Tsaka itutour kayo doon talaga sa bunganga ng falls. Naka-try na kami ni Fritz before nung maliit pa si Kian. Pero sa susunod na summer, oh no, this summer, we're gonna try it together, the 4 of us. Yan. So, nag-wear ng raincoat yung sasakay sa boat kasi kahit dito na nasa malayo kami, yung mist ng falls nakakapasa. So, how much more kung andoon? Ano? Tingnan nyo. Yan, oh. Tingnan nyo. Nice. Very nice. So, naglalakad kami, guys, papunta doon sa malaking falls. Sabi ni Fritz, maliit lang daw to. Maliit lang to na falls. Ayan. Pero papunta kami doon. Doon. Sa tip. And makikita nyo later kung gaano ka bagsak yung tubig. I will show it to you guys. There's a rainbow! There's a rainbow! Yes.
Oh yeah, rainbow!
Oh, the doctors!
Tao ngayon, mami, no?
Yeah, kung weekdays. May tao, pero hindi packed kumpara kung weekend. For sure, bukas maraming tao
bukas
dito.
Maraming tao
kasi
dito.
Holiday na eh.
Holiday kasi bukas.
Eh, itong iba dito, hindi naman sila ganito. Maraming mag-observe ng Good Friday. Yeah. So, kaya ngayon kami pumunta kasi bukas tsaka hanggang Sunday, it's for God. It's for God. God's time.
God's day.
God's day.
Yeah, may rainbow, guys.
There's always a rainbow after the water. Rainbow
so,
after.
let's go. Punta pa tayo dun sa dulo. Yun, sa malaking waterfalls.
At the end of the rainbow goes down, right?
Yeah.
Down, and then if you go underwater, you'll see a giant pot of gold.
Yeah, a treasure chest.
Is it just like a myth or something? A legend?
Yeah, let's go to the bigger one. Closer to the bigger falls. Over there. So, maglakad muna kami, guys. Skylon. There's the end of the rainbow.
There. See that? It connects. I just don't know where the other end. Take a photo with Kayla. Sit down here. Someone's trying to sit down. The waterfalls. Guys, Lala. Guwapo o guwapa. Ayan. Basa na kami dito, guys. Parang umuulan. Malapit na kasi kami dyan, oh. We're near there. You have to cover your head, baby.
No.
Yeah. Let's go. Come on, we're almost near, guys. We're near. Grabe, saan kayo nanggagaling yung ganito karaming tubig? bubbles.
There's bubbles?
Yeah.
Where are the yellow ones in the corner?
Huh?
Over there, the yellow one.
Yeah.
There.
Dirt knock. There's a rainbow. Wala, double rainbow. It's double rainbow. Almost there. We're gonna go there. That's in there. Ayan na yung boat. Nasa bunganga na ng falls, guys. I can't wait for summer para magsakay din kami yan. Medyo malamig kasi kapag ngayon. Yan, oh. Diyan talaga sila pupunta. Yan. Malapit na kami. Just a few minute walk. So we have arrived to our destination. Grabe yung tubig, guys. Look at Kayla. It says danger. It says danger.
Who would do that?
Tingnan nyo yung water. Grabe. Walang tigil. Saan kaya nanggagaling ang napakadaming tubig na yan? Ayan, oh. Sa parang river siya nanggagaling yan, no? Grabe. Let's go. Yan ay pinakamalapit dyan, oh. Wow. So gigantic. So gigantic. We're here. So ito na yung pinaka-end, guys.
Pinakamalapit, no? Na
Yeah,
view.
pinakamalapit na view ng Niagara Falls, Canada side. So we're gonna check it out here. Over here. Yeah, here.
Pasok muna kami dito, guys, kasi ano, malamig. Sa malamig. Oh. Pasok kami sa parang mall lang ligid. Oh. Nice and warm na dito, mami. Yeah, it's okay. Let's start it later. So may parang food court din dito, guys, na pwede kang kumain. Tapos may mga souvenirs. May souvenir shop dito. Ayan. Dito pala yung ano, mami.
Oh, the tunnel.
Yung tunnel, no?
Oo, walang pila.
Maganda sa summer.
Yeah, sa summer kasi hindi malamig.
Oh.
Punta tayo dito.
Yan o, dito ka bibili ng ticket papunta sa ilalim ng falls.
So ayan, power station.
Yan o. So, journey behind the falls.
Pahuway sa ba?
Pahinga mo na guys, pahinga muna.
You fuck. Wala lang, just enjoying the nice weather, the nice day. It's not crowded here today. It's nice view. And the kids,
falls.
you wanna know where the kids at? They're playing right there. Tara ay, gugukod nilang langgam. Ay, lingaw kayo mga bata. Lingaw says daddy? Daddy! It's just 5:20. Dami dry ang falls sa mong background. Muna na ay murag na kabuhi. Ay, ang ganda. Kasi yung grass dito guys, tingnan nyo. Green na. Parang summer na. Kasi nga na bibis-bisan. O na sa Tagalog. Parang may tubig ba?
Nadiligan.
Nadiligan ng tubig galing sa falls.